I'm okay with the overall like interior pieces and bits of the car, but what I do want is just to like fix those few things like the gas shocks, because I take grandma to get groceries and stuff sometimes, and this door kind of opens weird, but I'm okay with it right now. Maybe in the future we'll change it. Our primary goal is to get the Z to the track, so you know, we're just kind of going on a junkyard journey. What up world, it's BK here, and in this video we're gonna take this Yaris, we're gonna go to the junkyard, we're gonna try to replace some stuff. What I'm hoping to get is this tie down here, as well as getting some gas shocks, and then there's also the headrest is a little messed up. In typical us fashion, we forgot our tool set, so. Toyota. You know, whole bed. Here we got a Matrix. It's a big boy of our little Yaris. I don't know if any of the parts are interchangeable. But we had one of these before, the Pontiac version, the Vibe. It's a cool car. Here's the Yaris we've been looking for. See, does it have drum brakes? Yeah. Good, just like us. The motor's intact. I don't think I need any motor parts though. What we want is under here, hopefully. If you know what car this is, let me know in the comments. Well, so the Yaris was a bust, but they did. The website also said they had a 300ZX, so let's see if we can find that. Look at you, we found you. Non-turbo. Well, most of the interior is here. It's red too. Well, thanks for coming on this junkyard journey with me. Although we failed and didn't obtain any parts, I still wanted to show this because it's something that happens a lot. You can look up a car online and see that it's at the junkyard, but you might not just have the parts that you're looking for. So this is why it's a journey, and it's really fun. If you enjoyed this episode, then check out some of my junkyard journey tips here, and please leave a comment on anything that you would like me to see or do better, and I hope you have a wonderful day.